So here we will create another program. Yeah, another program to print array in reverse order, but with another approach. Let's initialize the array. And then print array using. Give me a second. Give me a second. Yeah. Okay. Here we will pass this array, and here we will pass the starting index and up to which index we want to print. Okay, let's initialize with 5. Not this. More action. Create method. Obviously, this will also return void, and this is the last index. Okay. If I is greater than n, return. Here we will first call the recursive function array I plus 1 n, and now we will print here I. Let's check. Hmm, Instead of this, let's pass 4. 5 4 3 2 1 should be the output. Okay, yeah. Okay, that looks good.